Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, many people buy the Dyson vacuum cleaner, very expensive. Malaysia sells Dyson vacuum cleaner, minimum ringgit Malaysia 1,200 ringgit, about $400 minimum. Today, I in 260 ringgit Malaysia from Lazada, which is about only $50. So we have the new AIRBOT, very light box. I opened partially. Purple color, 45 minutes, very long time. Charger, and I already charged for one full day. Charger, you get the machine, you get the long tube. Do you see this one? You get the thin tip. You get the brush and floor thing, the one for the floor. Zoom. This one for the floor. So I already charged long time. So it feels very light, and I think so this battery is detachable. See, can take out, can put in. So maybe you can get one spare battery, so you can use anytime. So to put it in, just pack like kung fu. Pack like kung fu. Okay, let's try the suction power. So just press the button, suction power. Okay, suction good. Let's try to suck hair. Okay, so far, suction power can suck face, can suck hair. Not very strong. I think for 269 ringgit, no good. You just go and buy Dyson. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. So I got the cheapest model. So the cheapest model only got one speed. No 2 speed, 3 speed, 5 speed. So this is the lousiest one. So let's try to use the shortest one. So you can click. Pop! Boom! Okay, can suck my face. Oh, press 2 times for stronger suction. Oh, sorry, there is a 2 level. Press 1 time for small power. Press 2 times for 2 power. This is 2 power. Much stronger. And press the 3rd time to turn off the vacuum cleaner. So to release, just press the button and take out. So when you want to clean this thing, you have a tip at the bottom. So you just go pang, and then you have a tip at the bottom, and then you throw all the thing, and then you use your mouth and you lick it clean. And then after that, bam, you can use again. So that is the smallest tip. Yeah, you can wash this one, take out the battery. So this one, now a lock. So you just wash, but don't take out the battery when you wash, so you are safe. So let's try this one. So you have the lock extension. You can play gun. So when you use the lock extension, okay, still can suck my face. Number 1. Number 2. Wow, very strong. Okay, so you can take this out, and then you put the water, you rinse, you clean this again. Finally, we have this one. Okay, you can use. This is clean your mattress, your sofa. Let's try. Oh, you see the roller. The roller is moving, man. You see? Wow! Wow! My finger vibrating. So this thing, when you roll, you will pick up the dust. If you don't want to use on the floor, you can use for facial massage. Ah. Okay. Oh, number 2. Yeah, very nice facial massage. Okay, wash your face also, vacuum cleaner. 2-in-1 function. Suck the dirt from the floor and also give you facial scrub. Very, very good. So to take out, just take out again. Okay, so as you see, just finished scrubbing my face. No dirt means my face very, very clean. Okay, so this is the review of the AIRBOT AIRism series. AIRBOT AIRism series. Okay, here they say design in Japan. Purple color, nice color, same color as Dyson, but it is 4 times cheaper than Dyson. No, it is 5 times cheaper than Dyson. Okay, I hope you have a good time. CLS, comment, like, and share for more videos like this. Thank you very much. Spend your money wisely, young boy. Bye bye.